Waiting, echoes still inside my chest. Step by step, the hallway whispers like a test. Pushing through the door, the silence chills my skin. Then your shadow falls on me, pulling me in. Chief, how are you here tonight? Your eyes too close, burning so bright. I can't find a way to hide. You say no matter where the worlds may turn to the endless dark. No matter how it burns, you will always find me. Draw me near, surround me. Even my breath is yours to claim. Like destiny, I can't escape. Your song's the only star that guides my way. Through the crowd, I'll never let it drift away. Every step I take, the fire pulls me close. Don't you know I've searched through time for your soul? Was your stage your gift meant for me? Don't tremble now, your spirit's free. Already bound inside my reach. You say no matter where the worlds may turn through the endless dark. No matter how it burns, you will always find me. Draw me near, surround me. Even my breath is yours to claim. Like destiny, I can't escape. Baby, how did you suddenly appear? Because you always belong here. So close to stealing my calm, then let me own the fear in your heart.